Good evening, everyone. This is Nikhil from 99 Miles Overseas. Hope all of you are keeping safe at your end. We are trying our best efforts to enrich the learning experience of all our partners and students. So today we are here with one of the best institutions of Canada, that is College Canada, Montreal. Now move on to the main part of the webinar. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our speakers for today, Ms. Veronica, Vice President of Marketing and Development at College Canada. She is having over 20 years of vast senior leadership experience in the education industry, particularly in student recruitment. She also serves as Board of Directors of Languages Canada. Very welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
I would also like to introduce Mr. Chandra Keshav, who's Manager South Asia for College Canada, a renowned face over here. He has been promoting different institutions of Canada for last many years, but currently he is representing College Canada. So now I would like to request Mr. Chandra Keshav to take on the webinar and guide us about the College Canada.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome, Nikhil ji. I guess everyone is able to see my screen,
Yeah.
right? Canada College offers 6 programs. Canada College offers all 6 programs, and all the 6 programs are 2 years, and these programs are the AEC programs. And AEC program, as you know, guys, are the job-oriented programs. Business administration and commerce, database administration, and early childhood education are open for September and November. But business intelligence, digital marketing, and digital content creation will be available from the January 21. Requirement is we need 6, we need IELTS overall 6, not in one module it can be 5.5 but not more than that. We accept PTE as well, overall 15, not less than 42. We accept TOEFL, it's 70. And guys, as you know, because of the current situation, you guys are not able to get your dates for your test, right? Language proficiency test. What are the documents you need to submit? So it's very basic. You need to submit your passport, your diploma, your transcripts. Diploma means, it can be a diploma, your 12th or your graduation certificate. So let me just tell you, our all programs are for undergrad and postgrad as well. So it's UG and PG both, because all other programs are the AC programs. Yes. So you need to submit your 12th or your bachelor's, whatever you have, your academics documents you need to submit. Your yes, obviously your language proficiency test, if IELTS is there, PT is there, TOEFL is there, or you can submit the Duolingo, and your health insurance proof as well. Let me tell you about our intakes as well. So Canada College have intake after every 3 months. Yes, we have a lot of intakes. Now the upcoming intake is November. Yes, we are still taking applications for September, but the time is very less for September. So now our upcoming intake will be November. After that, it will be January, then March, then May, and so on.
What type of part-time jobs are available there in Montreal? Because some of the students are quite worried about that, whether they would be able to get a job over there.
Well, if we are talking about now with the pandemic, the kind of jobs that you have are in supermarkets, in restaurants, with the Metro company, for example. To give you an idea, we have some students that are working for the Metro company, cleaning the cars.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Does college help in job placements after graduation? Is there any particular field of that? The students get jobs whenever they complete their graduation.
Yes, we have, like, if we look at our percentage, for example, in early childhood education, 90% of our students get a job within 6 months of graduation. Business and database is 85% of our students get a job within 6 months of graduations. We do have a department that helps students find internships that they need to find while they are studying, because all of our programs have one internship.
Yes.
Early childhood education has 2, and those internships are mandatory to get your degree. So we have a department that helps them with that, and the same department helps them with the post-graduation work permit.
If you can come to Canada College, and I just want to request to the students, please research. Do not believe on the rumors. Please first research. Do your research. That is the reason you call the students. You need to research. You need to study, right? So you need to research that what is the first stage visa, what is the second stage visa. Do not be confused by anyone. Do not believe the rumors. And yes, if you are interested for our upcoming intakes in you want to apply for Canada College, please contact 99 Miles. They are the authorized agent for us. And if you have any questions, or if you have anything, you can reach to me. You can mail me keshav@collegecanada.com,